Acids, bases and salts, important question. First question, write the difference between acid and base. How does acids and base react with metals? How do metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates react with acid? How does acid and base react with each other? Fifth question, how does metallic oxide react with acid? Sixth question, how does non-metallic oxide react with base? Seventh question, how do all acids and all bases have in common? What do all acids and all bases have in common? Eighth question, what are universal indicators? What is pH scale? What are olfactory indicators? What is strong and weak acid? What is strong and weak base? 13th question, explain chloralkali process with a neat diagram. 14th question, write the uses of sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮೂರು ಯೂಸಸ್ ನ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ರಿ. ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಯೂಸಸ್, ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಯೂಸಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಒಂದು 4 ಯೂಸಸ್ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ರಿ. 15th question, write the chemical name, chemical formula of bleaching powder and write its uses. Write the chemical name and chemical formula of baking soda and write its uses. 17th question, write the chemical name and chemical formula of washing soda and plaster of Paris. Also writes uses of washing soda and plaster of Paris. Are the crystals of salts really dry? Explain. 19th question, name the acid present in the stinging hair of nettle leaves. 20th question, there is no change in the color of the red litmus and blue litmus paper when introduced into an aqueous solution of sodium chloride after passing direct current through the same solution. Red litmus changes to blue color. Which product is responsible for this change? Mention any 2 uses of this product. 21st question, name the gas liberated when an acid reacts with metallic carbonate. Write the chemical equation of the reaction when this gas is passed through the lime water. What is the color of the precipitate obtained in this reaction? 22nd question, while diluting an acid, the acid should be added to water. Why? 23rd question, plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture proof container. Why? 24th, what is neutralization reaction? Give example. 25th, name the products of chloralkali process. Write 1 use of each. 26th question, write the molecular formula and 2 uses of each of the following compounds. Bleaching powder, second bandbuto plaster of Paris. 27, explain how teeth decay is caused. How can it be prevented? 28, the pH value of A, B and C solution are 5, 6 and 7 respectively. Which of this solution is more acidic in nature? Why? 29th question, what is the common name of the compound that has molecular formula CaSO4.1/2H2O? 30th, name the ions that is responsible for acidic and basic nature of the substances. 31st question, add some amount of barium chloride solution to a test tube containing 5 ml of sodium sulfate solution. Then which insoluble white precipitate is formed? Second question, name the ions responsible for the formation of the white precipitate. Third, mention the type of chemical reaction that took place here. 32nd question, explain the manufacturing of bleaching powder. Write any 2 uses of it. 33rd, a strong solution of sodium hydroxide is added to the strong solution of hydrochloric acid. What is the nature of the salt solution formed here? Write a balanced equation for this reaction. 34th, name the salts used in the following situation and write their molecular formula. A question, to remove permanent hardness of water. B, to make drinking water free from germs. C, to support fractured bones in the right position. 35th question, the pH values of 4 solutions are given in the below table. Classify into acidic and basic solution. E ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದ್ರ pH 5 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. F ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದ್ರ pH ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 13 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. G pH ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದು 9, H pH ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು acidic ಯಾವ್ದು basic ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 36th question, name the antacid used to neutralize the excess of acid in the stomach.